Let's be honest, imposter syndrome is real. We live in a world where everyone seems to have a title, a certification, or a degree to prove their worth. And if you don't have one, it's easy to feel like you're not qualified to speak up or teach others. But here's the truth. In today's creator economy, you don't need credentials to become an expert. You need results, consistency, and trust. People don't follow experts because of their certificates. They follow people who help them solve real problems. And you can do that without any formal title, as long as you bring clarity, value, and authenticity. So let's break down how to become the go-to expert in your niche. No credentials required. Step 1. Know more than the person you're helping. You don't need to be the world's top expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the person you're serving. If you've gone through the challenge they're facing and found a solution, that makes you valuable. You've done the work, you've made the mistakes, you've learned the lessons. That's experience. And experience is a form of expertise that no classroom can teach. Your audience doesn't want theory. They want lived insight. They want someone who's been there and can guide them out of the confusion. Step 2. Share what you learn as you learn it. One of the fastest ways to build authority is to document your journey. You don't have to have all the answers. You just have to be open about the process of finding them. People love following creators who grow in public. It makes your audience feel like they're learning with you, not being lectured by you. Start every post, podcast, or video with the mindset, here's what I'm learning, and here's what might help you too. This makes your brand approachable and real, and that's what builds trust. Step 3. Teach through simplicity. Experts often make things complicated. True authority comes from clarity, being able to take something complex and make it easy to understand. If you can explain something in simple, relatable terms, people will see you as the expert, even without the credentials. Remember, confidence doesn't come from knowing everything. It comes from knowing something well enough to teach it clearly. Step 4. Build social proof through impact. You don't need a certification. You need evidence. Evidence of the transformation you create. That could be testimonials from clients, feedback from your audience, or even your own results. Every success story you share, no matter how small, reinforces your credibility. Show, don't tell. When people see your ideas working in real life, they stop questioning your background and start trusting your results. Step 5. Stay consistent. Consistency is the secret weapon of authority. Most people don't lack expertise, they lack repetition. The more you show up, the more people remember you. And the more they remember you, the more they trust you. Being the go-to expert isn't about being the smartest in the room, it's about being the most reliable. Post regularly, engage often, be there long enough for people to start saying, "You're my go-to person for this." Step 6. Lead with empathy ego. Credentials might impress people, but empathy keeps them coming back. When you genuinely care about helping others, when you listen, respond, and add value, you build something stronger than authority: loyalty. The best experts aren't those who know the most. They're the ones who care the most. So here's the truth. You don't need letters after your name to build credibility. You need stories, lessons, and proof that you're committed to helping others grow. People don't want a perfect expert. They want a relatable guide, someone who's walked the path, fallen a few times, and kept going. Your journey, not your title, is what makes you powerful. So stop waiting for permission to lead. Start sharing what you know where you are right now. Because the world doesn't need more experts with credentials. It needs more voices with conviction. And yours might be the one that someone's been waiting to hear.